Boom! What is up, guys? Welcome to the sweet outdoors. Yes, it's the back porch edition. Got off work, had to do the dinner thing, all that good stuff. Wife's at work. It is what it is, guys. It's been a busy weekend. Up at Blue Suckers with my brother. You should have saw the videos. Now we get the week started, and I got something for you. And yes, it's another product review, but it was one of those that I saw it and I could not pass it up. You seen the thumbnail, you seen the title, you know what I'm talking about. Let's get it together and we'll get this party started. Let's get this party started. Are we ready? I'm ready. I'm trying to get used to these bifocals and they're messing me up big time. Anywho. Alright. Strolling around Walmart. Went in there getting something for lunch. And I got to go through the sporting goods section. I mean, that's just what I do. And I come across Walmart version, the Ozark Trail 12-piece survival kit. Are you ready for it? There it is. Look at that. The 12-pack survival kit. You can't do better than that. I'm just kidding, guys. Come on. Now you know me better than that. Boom. 10-in-1 survival kit by Ozark Trail. 10-piece survival kit plus one case totals 11 pieces. Look at the goodies. I'm not going to let you see that. You got to wait till I open the dang box. Chill out. Let's open the dang box. I mean, that's really what you're here for, right? Or did you just come see me? It's all good. It's all good. Ugh. Wow, this thing's... Look at that. You can't even close it. I hope somebody doesn't open it and take shit out of it. Okay. Let's see what we got here. We have the commando saw. The kit's not a kit without a commando saw. Yeah. I've used one of Ozark Trail's commando saws before, wire saws before. I actually did a video on it. It's right there. Go check it out. It's alright. It's a wire saw. Okay. Ozark Trail's version of the Paracord survival tool. Bam! Got some nylon string wrapped around it. Here's your most important part, the bottle opener. This is a bottle opener, can opener. More of a can opener. Some hex wrenches right here. This is a serrated edge knife right here. Now, can you see that? Serrated edge. Here's your regular knife, and it feels rough. It's kind of sharp, but it's got pits and burrs all down that bad boy. Wow. All up the side. It's got a little peak, whatever that's supposed to be used for. I don't know. Maybe to use as a compass. It's got 1-inch measurement, so in case of emergency you need to measure an inch. Flathead screwdriver right here. This here, the cord cutter. Now I'm guessing you should unwrap this and there's more to it. It doesn't say, but just for the sake of it, I'm not going to unwrap it. But I can tell you this, that this one is a lot thinner than the other ones, and it is not stainless steel. So this one's even worse than the other ones. Just saying. You gotta have it in your kit, guys. Survival blanket is a must in any kit, no matter how chintzy, cheesy. It's not a kit, basically, without that. All right. Some mixed reviews on this. Little water bottle holder. It's got a snap. It's got some Velcro. You put it on your belt loop. Hold your water bottle. You might be able to find a flashlight to fit in there. Carry your flashlight. Maybe like a baton or like a nightstick type of thing to beat a bitch. To defend yourself and stuff. Maybe even the right axe if you got if your axe handle will fit in there. But you'd probably carry some kind of tool in there or a water bottle like it's designed for. Up to you. Okay. Paracord bracelet, always a plus. You got high visibility paracord. This one don't seem to be wrapped too tight. I know a few people like that too, but this one here don't seem to be wrapped too tight. So again, probably about 9-foot paracord. You got your compass, your whistle, ferro rod, and your striker. A 4-tool buckle. I've never been able to get a spark off these things, but maybe it's because I really haven't tried that much. But if you had to in an emergency, you could just keep going until you got something. It might do some good. But paracord bracelet's always a good item to have. Okay, here's another must-have in your survival kit, and I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. And I like these ferro rods that they're putting in these kits, guys. That nice T-handle, get a good grip, and look how thick that freaking rod is, man. Here's the striker that goes with it. Of course, you got to get all that coating off. Got your hex bottle opener, and again, measurement in case you need to measure 1.5 inch, 2 inch, whatever it is. Hey, it's better than none, guys. And kept together with a little cheap nylon string. There's a dang mosquito out here, but a plus in any kit. A must, not a plus, a must. A must. This item is a plus in any kit. A carabiner. Again, not the best quality. It's got your safety right here so that it won't come open. Not made for climbing, guys. So don't try to climb Everest with this carabiner. But keep your gear attached to your bag and stuff like that. It's always good. Alright, this is another good idea. Most people say a must for a survival kit, and I probably agree. There's already one type in here. The whistle. Loud whistle. That's really loud right there. I like these whistles. I got about 3 of them. And I'd probably put it on something else because it's right here. Not real secure. First time it snags on something, you lost it. But definitely a plus to have. Last but not least. Ooh, see that? I like that right there, guys. Ozark Trail survival pocket knife. Serrated edge. There's your blade. Somewhat sharp. Nice. It's nice. Aluminum body. Belt clip. Liner lock system. Cord cutter. Glass breaker. Very nice. And let's see if that was just by coincidence. Oh, I like that assisted opening. I might have found me a new pocket knife. I like these assisted opening knives when I'm working. I'm hands-on working on something. I need a knife real quick. Boom, it's out. It's ready to go. I like this. I'm not wild about serrated edge right here. I'm not wild about that, but I'll take it. I mean, to me, that's your seatbelt cutter. Just saying. But very nice. All right. Overall, my thoughts on this $15 kit, guys. 15 bucks. And it has damn near everything in it that the Harbor Freight survival kit had for less money. Keep it. You know my faults there, guys. Sorry, you know my faults. Worth it, yeah. But overall, I definitely think it is worth $15. I 100% believe it's worth the $15. I don't know that it's worth more than $15. But then again, I mean, like I said, it's got damn near the same gear as the Harbor Freight. Now, the Harbor Freight box, I believe, was a little bit bigger than this one. I could be wrong. But I tell you what, you cannot close this with this gear in here. That's why it was like that. You can't close it with the gear. So let's take out the pocket knife. Because let's be realistic, guys. You should have your knife on your persons anyway. Yeah, this box is small. I don't know why it will not close. It should close. I mean, it's just so freaking hard to close. That's probably why right there. I'm not impressed with their box. It's way too hard to close. One of the latches it just barely closes. But again, this is a great tool for your glove box. You know, this is a good idea to have in your glove box and maybe the bottom of your hiking bag or something like that, you know, just because some of the gear that's in here can definitely get you out of a bad situation. Oh, I forgot to put the other one in. Overall, yes, worth the money. I definitely give it 2 thumbs up. I would say I would probably replace the card and maybe the water bottle carrier. Maybe even the saw. I would probably replace those. This one didn't have a flashlight, so maybe throw in like a small flashlight or even some glow sticks, something like that. There's so many other options that you could put in here besides those couple items, but for the money, it's definitely worth it. Do me a favor real quick. Hit the subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the, give me the thumbs up. Hit the like button. Download, share, all that good stuff. Check us out on Facebook. Check us out on TikTok at The Sweet Outdoors. And love you guys. You guys are awesome. You are taking this channel exactly in the direction that I was hoping you would. That I knew you could. I owe it to every one of you guys for what this channel is headed to. It's all because of you. Keep it up. We'll keep doing more stuff like this. Be safe. God bless. Get outside. I'm going to sit right here and drink my damn beer.